Have you ever wondered how visual effects in movies and games are created? Welcome to the fascinating world of AI-enhanced visual effects. In this video, we will explore how artificial intelligence transforms the creative landscape in media and entertainment. To begin, let's establish what an AI-driven visual effects (VFX) pipeline is. It's a streamlined workflow that integrates AI technology with artistic vision, ensuring consistency and alignment of creative objectives with technical execution. The goal? To enhance productivity while maintaining high-quality standards. Imagine a world where time-consuming tasks are automated. By defining clear objectives, like accelerated asset turnover and collaborative workflows, we avoid fragmented processes and ensure that every step adds value. Key inputs are vital. Artistic briefs guide AI configurations, while legacy assets accelerate training cycles. Infrastructure constraints also play a crucial role, guiding model complexity. Engaging with various stakeholders, from creative directors to IT managers, ensures a cohesive understanding of goals. Before rolling out your AI developments, you need to normalize your data. This involves establishing consistent metadata and ensuring infrastructure supports AI workloads. Quality benchmarks should guide performance and visual fidelity, guaranteeing that outputs meet the highest standards. Now, let's dive into the actual workflow. The process begins with an orchestration layer that manages everything from asset ingestion to rendering and delivery. With tools like ShotGrid or Apache Kafka, we can smoothly track tasks and communicate updates across teams. Next is the integration of diverse AI techniques. Neural rendering synthesizes photorealistic imagery, while computer vision automates detection and segmentation, reducing manual labor. Predictive analytics help optimize scheduling by estimating task durations based on historical data. In our real-world example, automated processes trigger a sequence that starts with footage being denoised, analyzed, and enriched with metadata. This results in cataloged assets ready for scene analysis and development. As we conclude, the AI-enhanced VFX workflow culminates in a streamlined delivery of final outputs, all while meeting project milestones. Each stage is meticulously crafted to ensure quality and efficiency. In summary, AI is revolutionizing visual effects, providing tools for automation and creativity. If you want to transform your media projects with cutting-edge technology, look into implementing an AI-driven workflow in your processes today. Ready to get started? Visit the Ogvation web store to explore more tools and resources to elevate your creative efficiency. Be sure to like and subscribe. Check out the links below.